This is part 2 pouring the concrete. Nearly filled up. Actually, the lorry is run out of the concrete, waiting for second lorry just to park in. It's just around the corner. And this is nearly filled up. We need a little bit top it up. And second, when the second lorry comes, ready mix. We connect the pump to it and fill up the rest of the concrete and go all around. And all around. You see to fill the remaining of roughly around half a meter left. And we also there's a switch pipe here which made a box to stop the concrete going around the pipe. There's a pipe here, pipe running all the way here through the manhole, which we need to basically move this manhole. We have to move it later on to the outside the wall around, roughly around here, and also divert all this pipe, which actually this extension wall is going to be around exactly around the, you see exactly wall is going to be go here. So basically we need to move all the pipe around the corner to here, and then and the manhole from that location is going to come here outside the wall, and basically we're going to have one little door here, and this is the lorry basically run out of the concrete. Second one is going to come and replace that one, and we continue pumping the concrete until we fill up the remaining of the foundation, and then vibrator is going to release all the bubbles and air pocket out of the concrete. And this bit is, when it's complete, basically is going to hold to this level. This is basically foundation. This is the foundation level of the old house. It's going to go roughly to that level, or a little bit more. And when it's done, we need the concrete. You see, basically here, when we dug out the concrete, see the soil gave out because we had a heavy rain, and the waters gave away. Wall gave away because we didn't put any retaining wall or anything like that. We didn't expect much rain, but rain basically destroyed all our calculation. And you see here the wall gave away, and you can see the crack in the paving slab. It's going to be filled up, and we need to level it, and mechanical vibrator is going to release all the bubbles. And when it's done and we leveled it, then we wait concrete to set. This is basically pouring concrete part 2 for our extension in North London. And when it's done, we wait a few days basically to set in concrete, set nicely, and then we need to do delivery of all the blocks, and also contact the builder, arrange with builder to come and build the rest of the foundation, go all up. This was the most difficult part basically, very heavy stuff. So when it's done, it would be around, this is roughly around 6 meter by 6 meter, around 36 meters square extension. When it's done, would be quite nice for our client. So I will update you in part 3 and 4, probably for block, when block work start, block and brick work start. Then it's going to see concrete now. We're going to guys leveling the concrete a little bit. We need top of the little bit more top that area to come to roughly to ground level, around 20 centimeters. Here would be around half a meter, or at the end it would be a little bit more. You see? You see? You see? You see? Is the starting level concrete here. Pouring concrete level. Thanks for watching and keep tuned for the next part 3 and 4 for breakwork and rest of the work. Thanks for watching, and I'll update you further. Thank you. Bye bye.